I kind of wanted confetti. Hi, welcome to another one of our tutorials. So today we're gonna be teaching you how to create a free email tracking tool that will basically help you figure out um, whether your leads or whoever you're sending emails to received them or not, or maybe like they went to spam or opened them or not. All right, so for this one, we're gonna be working on an already existing workflow, which was our last tutorial, the one where the lead outreach workflow. So we're gonna be working with this one because we do need an email node in order to integrate our tracking tool, basically. Well, I mean, the tool is like the whole thing, but you get what I mean. Anyway, so over here, as you can see, if you followed our last tutorial, you can see that we added a little some here and also a little some here, right? So I'm gonna show you bit by bit why those are there, like the BCC and the our HTML slash webhook is over there, and I'm gonna show you how the whole thing works. So let's get to it. All right, so basically to explain this better, we have two more scenarios that I will be showing you. I'm gonna show you the entire flow and exactly what it's made out of. And then you guys can make a choice in which tools you would like to use. All right. So over here we have a hidden image basically that's gonna go on the email, which will allow us to basically track whether the email was opened or not. So once an email is sent and it has this hidden image, basically in HTML, which also has our webhook on make.com, which I will be showing you in a moment. If the email was opened, it's going to be marked as opened on our Google Sheet. If it's not opened, then also it's not going to be marked opened. We're also going to have the delivery, whether it's true or false, and the score, basically. So let's first start off with tracking the deliverability of the email. So over here, this is our scenario. This is not the one. This is the one. So this is the deliverability workflow. This is how we figure out whether the email was delivered or not. So over here we have our mail hook, which is basically the address that we have on our mail hook. We're gonna copy it and we're gonna go and paste it here on BCC. And how do you get that, you may wonder? Go to add options and you'll find BCC over here. Let's start that over. So we're gonna find BCC, and this is on N8N, right? And we're gonna copy our address, our mail hook address, and we're gonna leave it there, right? Okay, so, and that's basically how it works. So what we're gonna do over here is we're gonna go ahead and test the whole thing later on, right after I show you everything that needs to be done in order to basically test it. All right, so we went ahead and copied our mail hook, right? Okay, and basically we can't really track this without any tools that would help us do it, basically. So we're gonna need an HTTP call for a spam checker, right? So over here we opted for Postmark app, and it's gonna check whether it was delivered or it's gone to spam. All right, so we can actually, you can find all of this on our website already. We will be uploading this to our blueprints anyway. You can go check it out there if you don't want to build it. On the other hand, if you want to build it, just pay a little bit of attention. I'm going to show you everything. All right. So over here, we used a JSON module to transform the data coming from the mail hook, because we need the raw dump of the email in order to basically figure out whether it was delivered or not. So over here, we're gonna put our headers, right, on our JSON module to transform it into JSON. And then we're gonna go over here and we're gonna transform it into XML. So there it is, convert JSON to XML. And we're gonna put our JSON string from here. And then on our HTTP request, obviously, as I said, you can pick the API you want to work with, but we opted for this one. So we basically followed their documentation to be able to do this. So you put your URL, and then obviously it's post, not put or get, because you're basically asking for information. So you got your headers, and then over here, so basically for Postmark, this is the body will be asking for. The API will be asking for in order to give you your results. Anyway, looks like I'm in space. Anyway, so basically over here, we're gonna put our email raw dump on email, and we're gonna put as options either short or long. Actually, you get to pick if you're using Postmark or any other tool or API to do it. So obviously, you're also gonna parse the response, so let's save that. Okay, over here, we obviously do need our variables, including the recipient's email, because over here, basically what I wanted to do is search rows by email. So there it is. If email on the sheet is equal to email on set variables module, then basically that's pretty much what we need, right? And then we're gonna go ahead and update a row on our sheet by basically putting this part, data success. It's gonna appear if it's true, it's not gonna appear if it's false, but you will see that later on. And then we're gonna put the score for our data. All right, so if it's if it was successfully delivered, it's gonna be above 7.9 or 7.9 plus. If it's not delivered, it's not gonna show anything. It's not gonna have a score. Okay, so this is our spam checker, basically. All right, what we're gonna do here is we're gonna go ahead and test this whole thing out. So let's go and send a message on Telegram and ask it to send emails. Am I gonna have to send it again? Oh yeah, all right, awesome, cool. Okay, so as you can see here, the email was sent, and heads up, I basically put our emails on this one so that we can make sure that they were sent, and also so that we can open them and test them out, basically. So as you can see here, 4 emails were sent. There it is, we got our response. And let's go to round cube. So this is the new email. We're gonna allow it. So now that we opened this email, obviously my name is not Kyle, and this is just a fake email, like it's just for testing. We're gonna go over here and see what happened. So there it is. Is it? Yes, there it is. All right, so it executed 4 times, 1 time for every email. Let's go and check out our emails. So anyway, so as you can see here, since I opened this one, it went to noor@giantnerd.online. It was marked opened, but that's the other scenario I'm about to show you right now. I just really wanted to show you the deliverability and the score. So over here, delivery says true and score is 8. So that's good enough. That's high. On this one as well, it's Giant Nerd Limited something something. True, and the score is 7.9. And then on this one, also true, score is 8. And then let's check this one, true and 7.9. So now that we know that these emails were delivered, they didn't land in spam, we're gonna go ahead and figure out the whole like open thing, right? So let's go over here. We have our HTML that it's actually like very simple to recreate. Over here we have the image in HTML, which is pretty much a transparent image. As you can see here, there's literally no mention of it, like you cannot see it. So your recipient is not gonna see it. It only like the only purpose it serves is basically telling you whether it was opened or not. All right, so over here we have our image, and then we have our webhook inside the image. So our make.com webhook, which is this one. I will still show you how to do it. You're gonna copy address to clipboard, and then you're gonna go here, delete it, and then we're gonna replace it. And then we're gonna put our parameters for the webhook, which are the event equals opened, and we're gonna filter them by row number so that later on we can also find the row we're looking for when the sheet is being updated. So there it is, row number. And then width equals 1, height equals 1. You can actually put those as 0, and style display is none. So you can put 0, that's not really a problem. You can also put a border equals 0, etc., but that's like completely useless, I guess. So yeah. So right now that our basically tracking pixel is being sent to our leads, it's triggering our other webhook, right? Or more like our webhook, because like the first one is a mail hook, right? All right, so since we already sent that email and I opened it, I'm gonna go ahead and like open another one. So okay, so the moment I open this one, it's gonna go through here. However, I don't want to open it before basically showing you the setting. So originally this one had like opening, email opened and email being read, but then we realized that like the reading part is not very reliable, so we removed it. And therefore I think, oh, okay, I didn't leave my filter. I thought I did. Anyway, so over here, the only thing going through is email opened. Okay, so I'm gonna like disable this and open the email so that we can see the results like right here. Okay, so hold on, email tracking, run this module only, open it. All right, so as you can see, there's nothing in here about the webhook or the image or anything. Okay, so over here, now that we opened it, it says event opened, and row number is 5 because obviously that's the row number. And what it's gonna be able to do here is go and update our row on the sheet and tells us that it was opened, like our status is opened. Okay, so let's run it again. I wonder if like I can open the same one and it would actually work. I haven't tried that. Let's run it once. Okay. Oh my god, it did work. Okay, so as you can see here, it did run when I opened it again. Oh my god, this is actually so cool because like if someone opened your emails more than once, it means they're interested. So I guess, yeah, that's pretty cool. So it went and updated our row with the value status is opened. Let's go check it out over here. Yeah, that's row 4. How did it? It's not. Is it 5? But I opened the other one. How? Yeah, okay. Oh, updated row 5, yes. So it went and put row 5, put opened on row 5. Let me check if there's another email. No, there's nothing. Okay, so as you can see here, it's actually a very simple process. Nothing like basically it's not that hard. I mean, it took me a while to I guess figure it out, but it's actually simple. Anyway, so that's pretty much it for today. You can drop your comments down below. We'll also we're very happy to basically help you out if you have any questions. And I guess have a great day, and looking forward to you people, I guess, telling us what you think. Thank you. Bye.